This morning I left my house at about 8 o'clock to go to a meeting in the centre of London, and when I left it was raining. And when I say raining, I mean it was absolutely pouring down. It was horrible. As I left the house with my umbrella, I saw my neighbour from the other side of the road, leaving his house, getting on his bicycle and setting off to work. I couldn't believe he was cycling in this weather, so I shouted out, "Seriously, you're cycling?" And he said, "Oh yeah." So I replied, "Wah, hardcore." If you say hardcore to someone like this, or you describe someone as being hardcore, you mean they have extreme dedication to a particular activity. They're very devoted to it. For example, some of the teachers I met in Russia this weekend, they did a 2-day course over the weekend. They were taking an overnight train home and then teaching. Hardcore.